So how do you build an automated product catalog as a manufacturing company? We often see that your product information is scattered across the application landscape. Part of it, the technical data, is in the ERP, the marketing stuff is in the PIM, and the stock data is in the warehouse management system. And you need to bring it all together to give value to your distributor, because they need to have it to put it further down your supply chain and different channels. With Hyperfox, we offer a solid solution because we integrate with all the different platforms inside your company. We bring together all this information tailored to every specific distributor with their own price, with their own stock, and open up to them so that they can easily consult in real time what is relevant for them via different channels, either via an interesting user portal or even via APIs. This means a lot less pressure on the back office to prep all this information, and it also is the starting point of generating automated order processing.